Hey guys, it's Denny and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Ipsy Glam bag makeup unboxing. This Ipsy Glam bag is from July. This is my first time getting the Ipsy Glam bag. And it's still in this packaging, so I'm going to open it up on camera for you guys. If you don't know what the Ipsy Glam bag is, basically you go to www.ipsy.com and I'll put it down in the description box. And you create a profile and they'll ask you questions like what's your skin tone, like what eyeshadows you like, what brands do you like, and each month they'll send you a glam bag in the mail, and you get 5 products in the glam bag. So yeah, I'm super excited. I've been wanting to get one of these glam bags for a while, and I've seen them all over YouTube, so I decided, let me just officially go ahead and get the bag. So if you're interested to see what I have in my Ipsy bag, then keep watching this video. Okay, like I said earlier, it is still in its original packaging. I absolutely love the packaging because I love pink. So this is pretty cool. I'm gonna open it now. Okay, so the products come in this little blue glittery bag. It's cool. It has a little Ipsy charm on it. So let's open it. Ooh. Let us see. It has something in here. So it's, like I said, it's the July 2018 Ipsy bag. This is a little card that comes in it. Yeah. So, like I said, it's 5 products in this bag, and they're actually full-size products, not like samples. So let's start. So first, I got this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. Looks like this. I actually have a couple of these, and I might actually have this shade, but it's amazing. Yeah, I like the color. The color is good. I guess I can open it and do a swatch so you guys can see. I think I might have done a video when I swatched this before. But yeah, I think I have this color. Let me see. The color is, let's see if I have any color. What the heck? I don't know what the color is. When I find out, I'll just link it down below. I don't really see it on here. But yeah, I like the way they smell. It smells like buttercream. Like a, no, what is it called? Butter, it's not butter, like butterscotch. So this is what it looks like. It's cute. I really like it. Probably wearing this. Like I said, I already have some. So yeah. Okay, the next thing is this Pore Clear Black Charcoal Peel-Off Mask, which I love face masks, so this will come in handy. We'll definitely be using this. Maybe I take the little thingy off. Okay, it doesn't really smell like anything. I'm big on smell, so like, if a product doesn't smell right, I don't know. Okay, let's put that one back in the bag. So the next product is a tapered blending brush from Elizabeth Mott. Let's open it up. So it's just a regular blending brush. It's pretty. I love brushes. It's really soft too. Definitely be using this. Alright. And next I have When in Doubt, Wing It Out. It's from Ico London. It's a black liner. It looks like that. And the back says, our easy to use pen delivers precision, point, perfection, and long lasting black color. So okay. I really did not know how to do eyeliner like that. So maybe I'll learn how to. But yeah, it's just basically a regular black liner. I can open it. yeah, should be easy for me to work with this. So yeah, that's the next product. Alright, and this last product is a banana setting powder, and I'm trying to figure out what brand it is. I don't know. It doesn't say, but it's a banana setting powder. You know, it's just like a regular setting powder. So yeah, I'm excited to use this. I don't really set my face with powder. I kind of just put some setting spray on and just go. I don't really use powder, but I've been wanting to get some powder, so I'm gonna get this. So yeah, guys, this was July's Ipsy box. I love all of the products in it. Like, I probably used all of them. I am now waiting on August's Ipsy bag, so hopefully it'll get here in the next few weeks or so. But yeah, if you guys like the Ipsy box, then you should definitely go subscribe. It's only $10 a month, which isn't bad, and like I said, they're full-size products. Like, you can't beat that. $10 for 5 full-size makeup products. Like, these things cost a lot of money by themselves, but $10 for just like 5 of them. But yeah, so I just want to thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.